supply is needed. Step 2. Put the RAM modules in the motherboard. You'll know when you successfully put it in after it clicks. Step 3. Put the motherboard inside the case. Step 4. Plug in the power button. Step 5. Screw the motherboard into place, that is so it will not move. Step 6. Put the power supply into place. Step 7. Screw in the power supply. Step 8. Put the graphics card inside the PCIe slot. Step 9. Put the hard drive inside the hard drive bay. Try to be more careful than I am. Step 10. Plug the SATA cable into the motherboard. Step 11. Plug the SATA cable into the hard drive. Step 12. Plug the SATA cable into the CD/DVD drive, as of course if you have one. Step 13. Plug the power supply into the motherboard. Step 14. Plug in power to the CPU. Step 15. Plug in power to the hard drive. Step 16. Plug in power to the CD/DVD drive. Now just make sure that everything is screwed in and that everything is plugged in. Now make sure that there isn't any metal coming in contact with the motherboard. And if there is anything like the power supply that has a cable touching the motherboard, just also try to get rid of that because those things can short out the motherboard and that would not be good. Step 17, reassemble the case, and if you can screw it in, just screw it in, but my case does not do that, so I don't have any screws to do that. But if you do, make sure to do that. Step 18, plug in the power to the monitor. Step 19, plug in the video cable. Step 20, plug in the power to the computer. Step 21, plug in any accessories like keyboard and mouse. Step 22, turn on the computer and see if any magic happens. Yeah, that's old technology for you. Let's switch to my other monitor. Alright, we got a BIOS posting. That's a good sign. I guess that means that we did it. Let's boot into Windows XP. Truly classic. Everyone loves this operating system. Congratulations on finishing the computer build. You now know how to build a computer. Thanks for tuning in.